In this video, I show you how to fix Instagram live option not showing problem. For solving this problem, go to Play Store, search for Instagram, up to date your Instagram app, then go to settings, then go to apps, then search for Instagram, tap on Instagram, tap on storage and cache, clear storage, tap on delete. Now open Instagram app. Now log into your account. You can see that there are no live option. Now tap on your profile icon. Now tap on three line. Now tap on help. Now tap on report a problem. Turn off this. Then tap on report problem. Include and continue. Now type your problem here. Type here, hi Instagram team. My Instagram not showing live option. Please fix this problem as soon as possible. Then tap on send. Now I hope that Instagram fix live option not showing problem as soon as possible.